Curious about the financial commitment and risk management involved in starting your trading journey with us? Let's break it down. Starting capital. On our website, all showcased results are based on trading with a single mini contract, which requires a $10,000 margin, but don't worry if that seems steep. You can begin with a micro contract needing just a $1,000 margin. Each additional $1,000 in your account allows you to trade another micro contract. Our advice for newcomers? Try a paper or demo account for at least a week. This way you get a feel for the trading environment without risking real money. Managing risks. During a trading day, your balance will fluctuate between gains and losses. Remember, you're in control. It's your decision when to stop. Our philosophy? Good money is money in our pockets. We prefer to end the day on a profitable note, rather than risk losing our earnings for a bit more gain. It's crucial to trade only with money you can afford to lose. This isn't a bleak outlook, but rather a strategic approach for two key reasons. Safety net. In the unlikely worst-case scenario of losing your investment, you won't be plunged into financial distress. Emotional balance. Trading with disposable income helps maintain emotional equilibrium. You'll be able to absorb losses and continue trading or hold on to a good trade without undue stress. The best risk management strategy? Start with a demo or paper account. Get comfortable with our system and build confidence. Only then should you consider transitioning to trading with real money. Remember, trading involves risks, but with the right approach, it can also offer rewarding opportunities.